In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a family group on Gmail. Setting up a family group is a fantastic way to organize and manage your family's digital life, from sharing calendars to managing family events and activities. This step-by-step process will ensure you can effortlessly get everything up and running. Now to start, open your web browser and head to the Google search page. In the search bar, type in "How to create a family group on Gmail" and press enter. Google will provide you with a list of results, but you'll want to click on the link that takes you to Google's official guide on setting up a family group. Once you've navigated to the correct page, take a moment to review the information provided. Google offers detailed insights and additional resources that can be extremely useful as you proceed. This guide acts as a reliable reference point, ensuring you fully understand the features at your disposal. The next step involves making sure that you're logged into your existing Google account. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so at this point. Simply click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the screen and enter your credentials. It's crucial to use your primary Google account, as this will act as the main account for managing the family group. With your account verified and ready, look for the option to create a new family group. Typically, this can be found under the Settings or Account Management section. Click on Create Family Group, and Google will guide you through the necessary steps to set things up. You'll need to enter the email addresses of your family members whom you'd like to include in the group. It's a good idea to have these ready beforehand to streamline the process. As you add family members, invite them by sending an email invitation through the platform. They'll receive a notification prompting them to accept your invitation. Upon their acceptance, they'll become part of the family group with access to shared features and resources. After inviting all intended family members, you can customize how the family group functions. Explore the various options available, such as shared calendars, family payment methods, or even setting up parental controls for younger members. Customizing these settings will help tailor the group to your family's needs, ensuring a smooth and organized experience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a family group on Gmail, bringing your family together in a digital space where communication and organization are at the forefront. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your family group. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to refer back to Google's official resources or leave a comment below. Happy organizing!